Hey Sudhakar, I'm just wondering, have you ever been in an office meeting where you wanted to say something but you stayed silent? Not because you didn't have ideas, but because you were too afraid your English might be wrong. Maybe you're not alone. Millions of professionals feel the same fear every day. So, why don't you take us through what you really did to overcome this fear?
I will, definitely. Thanks for that. Let's dive right into it. All right, the very first point that I would like to share is stop waiting for perfect English. Many people stay quiet because they want perfect grammar and perfect sentences. But communication is more important than perfection. Even native speakers make mistakes. Focus on sharing your idea, not on speaking perfectly. I would say progress starts when perfection stops. And second important point is prepare a few ready to use office sentences. I do this personally in all my meetings. For example, I prepare all these short phrases that I can use in my discussions. Here are some examples. I'd like to add something here. In my honest opinion, just to clarify, hey, I have a quick question. All these things can be prepared in advance. And the third point is start small in meetings. You don't need to give a long speech. Start with one small sentence. For example, ask a question. Agree with someone. For example, if someone is sharing their opinions, you can say, hey, that's a brilliant point. I agree with what he said. And then give a short update on your tasks. Small participation builds big confidence over time. And number four, very important, remember everyone is focused on their work. Most people in meetings are thinking about their own tasks and deadlines. They are not judging your English as much as you think. Your idea matters more than your accent. This is a real powerful mindset that will enable you to get rid of all your fears and shortcomings and speak confidently. And the fifth and final point would be practice office English outside your meetings. Confidence in meetings comes from practice before meetings. You can practice speaking with a friend, record yourself explaining work topics, or even rehearse what you want to say before a meeting. Preparation removes fear. That is the key. And to conclude, confidence in office English doesn't come from knowing more grammar. It comes from speaking a little more every single day. So keep trying.
Those are some beautiful tips, Sudhakar. I think I have done this unknowingly and I agree to these points. I really think consciously making an effort in the aspects that you mentioned here would be brilliant.
Thank you.
Thank you.